Let's make Sattu Veg Chilla with me. Take some amount of sattu according to your number of chilla you want to prepare. Add some veggies like onion, cucumber, tomatoes, and chilies, and also you can add capsicum. After adding all this veggies, stir it thoroughly and make a paste like a liquid by adding some amount of water. After adding the water, just keep it for a few minutes and take the non-stick pan and start fire. After few minutes, put some oil and then keep this put the so I was very hungry, so I ate all and didn't took any picture. But it is very rich in protein and very delicious. Let's join me for healthy breakfast journey and diet journey. Comment on your opinion.